Every time I hear about Korean skincare products, I get really excited because most times it works. But hey, my name is Rika and I'm a beauty and lifestyle journalist here at Beauty Insider. But before I get ahead of myself, click on the notification button so that you don't miss out on any beauty tips. Here is the Benton Snail B High Content Skin Toner. This dermatological tested toner is pH balanced but leans slightly to the acidic side, which is amazing. It protects the skin from harsh environmental factors and helps it retain moisture. It's free from alcohol, and this toner, it's rich in snail mucin that improves skin texture, heals, balances, and hydrates the skin so well. And one of the great things about this toner is the fact that it has no synthetic fragrances or colors. And it's great for most skins, including those dealing with acne or signs of aging. And one of the most interesting ingredients that has been incorporated in this toner has got to be the bee venom. It helps keep your skin hydrated, soothed, and clear. Not only that, it also contains niacinamide and adenosine. This multifunctional skin toner helps achieve a bright and smooth complexion while moisturizing and soothes the skin. Basically, how you can use this toner is by pumping 1 or 2 times and take an appropriate amount and rub evenly across your face. And gently tap on your skin to enhance the absorption. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!